For our project, our group has decided to look at projectile motion and show that the horizontal velocity of a projectile is constant. In order to conduct this experiment, we used a toy gun, a protractor, and measuring tape. To analyze projectile motion, we placed the toy gun on the ground and used the protractor to consistently use the right angle for every shot.
We recorded the projectile in motion and used the Vernier video analysis app to analyze and determine the velocity of our projectile. Using the x position versus time graph from Vernier, we can see a constant slope indicating that there is a constant velocity in the x direction. We can also see the vertical velocity is now constant, evident by the curve of the graph. For our experiment, we used an angle of 45 degrees. To calculate the distance traveled by the dart, we first had to calculate the horizontal velocity using the equation horizontal velocity equals initial velocity times cosine angle theta. With this, we found the horizontal velocity to be 4.29 meters per second. Using the horizontal velocity, we were able to calculate the distance traveled by the dart with the equation distance equals horizontal velocity multiplied by time. With this, we were able to get 4.67 meters.
We calculated our percent error by subtracting the theoretical velocity from the experimental velocity and divided by the theoretical velocity. We then multiplied this value by 100 to obtain a percentage. Our equation ended up being 7.556 minus 7.633 divided by 7.633, giving us negative 0.0101. We then multiplied this by 100 to obtain the percentage, negative 1.01%.